Hi, my name is Maggie.
My name is Izzy, and welcome to our crib. Our living room. We do a lot of hanging out here. We watch a lot of movies. We do a lot of studying. All the furniture came with it. We have the nice big window for plants and things. Those are 2 tables that we put together, which was nice for the TV that we brought. And it's really nice to decorate. And it's a really nice space.
Let's make our way over to the kitchen. This is our kitchen. We come here together sometimes for family dinners. This is our fridge. Definitely a lot of space for all of our appliances. We just love to be able to, make nice cozy meals together and have a good time, yeah. So we'll head over to our rooms.
This is my room. The bed is comfortable. You can bring a mattress topper. You have to hang all your posters. We have this nice dresser. We each get one. And I really like the closet. It's kind of a mess, but it's really big. So I have a lot of room. We have a lot of under the bed storage. This is the bathroom and the sink area. We have a sink here with some cabinets. There's another sink in here, so it leaves a lot of space. There's a really big shower, which I really like. It has an overhead shower, and it also has one that you can remove from the wall. So you get to choose which one you want to use. It's really nice. Well, this was our crib. Thanks for coming. It was great to have you. We hope you live on Cook Doug next year. Application starts soon. So get in there and get ready to live on Cook Doug.